Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show you a quick way you can restore your headlights.
First time.
This is my try, and my dad's gonna do the other side. But this is the kit that I used. I applied it on Amazon. It's 3M headlight restoration system. It comes with a little kit that you can use on your drill. It comes with this adapter right here. So this adapter, just apply all, you can apply all match onto the adapter. And it comes with 3 grits, right? So first you want to mask up your headlight. Make sure your headlight is clean and dry. Want to clean all the debris and whatnot that's around it as well. As well, if you want to take care of your paint, you can mask it around the headlight with tape. Otherwise, let's get right into the video. So first you want to start off with it comes with 3 grits, right? This is going to be your lowest grit, which is going to be the P500. And then I'll show you the first step of what you need to do with the first grit. So let's get right into it. So first you want to apply water all around the headlight and put the adapter onto your drill and apply the grit as well. And make sure that you go from side to side. You don't want to go up and down and alrighty y'all, after you're done with the first step with the first grit, which is this grit, your headlight should be looking like this, and it should be feeling as well smooth also, and like with even layers throughout the headlight as well. So that's, I know it looks kind of scary right now, but this is how you're supposed to sound, kind of evenly your headlight throughout the headlight. So now we're just gonna go on with the next step, which is this white grit. It's the I forgot what it's a 260L P80, which is the white ones. And then you're gonna slap that onto your drill. Slap the old one off. They're kind of reusable, but at the same time you do want to use what you are applied with. So there's like honestly 3 grits for each side, so depending on how damaged your headlights are, you can go on with what you want. But we're ready for the next step. Alrighty, so this is how it's gonna look after the second grit. Quick visual. So now we're gonna go on with the third step, which is this grit right here. It's a 3000. It's feels kind of weird, but this is kind of what is gonna do the finish touch to one of the last steps before the polish. So let's get right into that. So this is how it's gonna look after the third grit. You can see it coming along now. Make sure you did the same procedure as you did with the other grits. But as you can see the headlight actually coming back to life. So now after that, you're gonna apply the compound, and we're gonna show you how to apply this. You kind of want to do this the best you can, because that's what gives it the last and beautiful finish for your headlight to look brand spanking new. So let's get right into this. Alrighty, so you want to evenly apply the compound onto the headlight. It'll be best to do it on the pad and apply it onto the headlight so you don't get any type of debris from your fingers onto the headlight as well. Make sure you kind of give it an even layer all throughout the headlight as well. And make sure you do this the right way and do this, like, put a little more force into this this last step, because it gives it the nice, like, clear finish that you want for your headlight as well. And also it applies a smooth finish as well. And you basically want to apply it the same way you did with all the other grits. Alright y'all, so this is the final results. As you can see, the headlight looks basically brand spanking new. I am planning on upgrading these headlights and getting them custom built, but as of for now, I wanted to give them a cleaner look and clean them out. So that's the final result, which I'm pretty happy with, and I'm sure you will too. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to stay tuned with this 335. I have plenty of content coming through.